introduce ourselves. We are the Youth Revolutionists from New Horizon Public School, Bangalore, India.
Nowadays, street food has become the most affordable and quickest type of food available in the market. But are these street food vendors happy with the lifestyle they lead? Our aim is to help these street food vendors as well as the buyers. According to a survey we took a few weeks ago, we found out that both the vendors and the buyers had their own share of problems. I will now highlight the vendor problems. Vendors have three major problems. They're not visible in the eyes of the customer, they have a low income, and they also face harassment. Nowadays, every locality has its own mall. This is why customers get diverted from the vendors to these malls, due to which the vendor does not have access to a larger audience. This again leads to a larger problem, their low income. Their income is so low that they are unable to support their own family. They also face harassment by the goons and policemen in their locality.
When we conducted a survey, we saw that there were two main problems from the buyer's end. First, lack of awareness of local vendors, and second, hygiene concerns. First, lack of awareness of local vendors. When a person shifts to a different locality or while he is traveling, it becomes difficult for him to find a street food vendor of his choice. Even if he finds one, he would question the safety of the food. That is, how hygienic the food prepared by the street food vendor is, since he is new to the locality and naturally he wouldn't know about the street food vendors in his vicinity. To address these issues, we, the Youth Revolutionists, have built an Android app called Drool Quotient. The app serves as a platform for connecting vendors and buyers. The app Drool Quotient is designed in such a way that its features can help solving the mentioned problems of the vendors and buyers.
In order to address the problem stated, our app Drool Quotient has three key features: an online platform, smartphone and non-smartphone usage, and a report abuse button. Online platform basically provides a platform where vendors can interact with buyers who place their orders and then can come up and pick their orders from the cart or the vendor. Smartphone and non-smartphone usage. Even though the vendors don't have smartphones, they can get notified of their orders via an SMS-based notification system. Report abuse. Many times we see that vendors are harassed and abused. Using our app, they can report abuse to NASV, that's the National Association for Street Vendors in India, by reporting their story on the website.
We analyzed and understood the issues faced by the street food vendors. We huddled together to solve them as well. But the success of an app is based on its popularity. We needed to ensure that our app stayed in the market for long and that our solutions were valuable. We went around Bangalore conducting surveys, and we too were surprised by some of the results. It was the greatest real-time experience ever.
Phase 2, moving on, we as Drool Quotient app owners would like to enhance our app by certifying the vendors who seriously maintain health and hygiene so that we can build the trust of our consumers. We promote our app on Twitter and Facebook, so please don't forget to like and follow us. Thank you.